Hey YouTube family, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to tell you about the new feature that is follow up. So without wasting any time, let's create a new follow up. Okay, so first we have to name this follow up. So I will give it a name, test follow up. Easy peasy. Okay, so now you have funnel setting option where you can choose labels, custom actions, custom tabs, groups and Kanban. You can choose from anyone. I will choose a label here and I will choose this label, I guess bulk SMS. Okay, and there are 3 follow-up triggers. The first one is on enter, the second one is on leave, the third one is after time. So first let us check on enter trigger, how it works. So it basically means when entering into this funnel, that is bulk SMS, you will send this message to your customer, that is hello follow up. That's easy. 3 to 5 second delay will be there, and if you want you can set up this variables also. I will set first name here. Okay, and let's create this follow up. Okay. So let's add into this bulk SMS and boom, hello follow up and his name Kistich already sent. Okay, another, let's check this on leave funnel. So when someone leaves this funnel bulk SMS, then this message, hello you just left follow up first name. So this message is now changed and I will remove him from this funnel. 3, 2, 1, boom, hello you just left follow up Kistich. So we have tested enter funnel and on leave funnel. So after time trigger is it have 2 drop down box. The first one is value option, the second one is unit option. So I can choose days, hours and minutes from here. So I will choose minute from here. Okay, and when entering into this funnel I will wait for 30 minutes, 1 minute. So after 1 minute I will like write here after 1 minute. Okay, and save changes. So you can see the label option here, after time here, and 1 follow-up action count is there. Okay, so simply add him to this label and you can see the time 4:10 p.m. 4:10 p.m. Okay, so we will have to wait till 4:11 or 4:12 to see this follow-up feature in action. So let's wait. Okay, so as you see 1 minute and 5 seconds are now complete and the follow-up message has been sent to this contact. So that is how easy it is to create a new follow-up for you. Okay, so let's test another funnel setting, that is custom tabs option. So this will be our last option and then we will like close this video. Okay, so let me quickly create a new tab. So I will create a tab that is named follow up test and adding him to this tab, and I will quickly edit this funnel to point this custom tab and I will choose the follow up trigger as on leave option. Okay, so as soon as I remove him from this tab, and you will see the follow-up message will be sent to this contact. So let's wait for 5 seconds and you see, hello, you just follow up Kistige after 1 minute. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and if you have any query, comment down in the YouTube, or you can send us a message to if you have any suggestion of new features you want to add in this like Lion CRM, or if you want to purchase a white label, you can contact us and join our WhatsApp channel. Thank you.